It's strange to think that, not long ago, owning a mobile phone was the exception rather than the rule. These days, the opposite is true. Mobile phone shops can be found everywhere you turn, and there are packages to suit every type of user and size of budget. All phones can make and receive calls, that's a given. But you'll also find they can be used as cameras, media players, personal organisers and all manner of other things. There are almost as many types of phone as there are types of people, which is brilliant because that means you should be able to find a really good match for your particular needs. You can buy a phone from a high street shop, or you can get one online. Buying one online may offer price savings, but you won't necessarily benefit from the expertise offered by store staff, or have a point of call for customer service questions. Lots of people replace their phones regularly, so you may receive a second-hand one from a friend or relative. However you get your phone, you should have the handset, a charger, and an instruction manual. The other thing you'll need is a SIM card provided by your chosen network to actually allow you to connect. Click the handset. Once you've chosen a phone, the decision-making doesn't stop there, because you'll also need a provider, the company which supplies your mobile service, and a package, which determines how and when you pay for your service. There are two main types of service. Type 1, where you pay a monthly amount, which lets you have a certain number of minutes of free calls and a certain number of free texts. Type 2, pay as you go, where you buy top-ups of credits that are spent as you use the phone. These days, phone packages also include a certain amount of data use, which governs the amount of internet access you can enjoy with your phone, provided the phone supports it. The service you choose very much depends on how much and how often you anticipate using your phone. Pay-as-you-go allows you to more easily manage your spend and can suit occasional users. Paying monthly normally gives you access to free or cheaper calls, but you'll be charged regardless of whether you use the service or not, and you'll usually be tied into a contract. Click a service option. Choose the option that suits a keen talker but occasional texter. Regardless of the individual design, all phones have a certain number of common key features. A power button for turning the phone on and off, a speaker and microphone for when you're making calls, a volume control, a screen to show what you're doing, and a keypad for entering numbers and navigating menus. In many modern phones, the screen and the keypad are combined into a touch screen. Click the on-off button. Being technology, it's sometimes not always as simple as on and off. Most phones also have a sleep or locked state, where they save power by not lighting up the screen, and also lock the keypad to avoid accidental use. Click the on-off button again to shut the phone down. Why not try the Exploring Your Phone topic next?